If you having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one.
Now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke.
When'd you come out? Oh, your sister. You turned me gay. Oh, wow.
Put your record on. Tell me your favorite song. You go ahead, let your head down.
Since when did you get a say in this, bitch?
Since I told him that he gets a say in this. Bitch.
You're the one that's pretending to date Mandy so you can fuck her brother.
At least I'm not getting trapped by some pregnant skank.
I hate your hair.
So do I.
It could be bipolar disease like our mom.
By what? What the fuck is that?
It's manic depression, Mick. It's like high highs followed by low lows over and over again.